Question number 3, and here is written, form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. And question number 1, the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other, find them. Okay students, according to this question, firstly we have to make a pair of linear equations, then we have to find that two numbers, right? So firstly let's assume the first number be x and second number be y. Now according to first conditions, okay, here is written, the difference between two numbers is 26. Okay students, here difference means that number which can be obtained after subtraction, right? So simply here we can make our first equation like this, and here our first number is x and our second number is y. So x minus y will be 26. In this way, according to first conditions, we have made our first equation. This is our first equation, right? Again, according to second conditions, okay, here is written, one number is 3 times the other. Okay, it means firstly we have assumed here our first number is x and second number we have assumed y, and according to these conditions x is already 3 times greater than y. So to make these two equal, we need to multiply y by 3. In this way we have made our second equation. This is our second equation. Okay students, in this way we have made a pair of linear equations. Now we have to find the value of x and y by the method of substitution method, right? And here simply we can put the value of x, whatever we have obtained in equation 2, into equation 1, and here according to second equations, x equal to, we have obtained 3y. So just put this value of x in equation 1, then we will be able to get the value of y, right? Okay, our first equation is x minus y equal to 26, and x equal to, we have obtained in equation 2 3y. So just put this value in equation 1. So x equal to, we can write here 3y minus y equal to 26. 3y minus y, we will obtain 2y equal to 26. Now the value of y will be y equal to 26 by 2. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 13s are 26. In this way we have obtained the value of y is 13. Now by putting this value of y in equation 2, we will be able to get the value of x, right? So our second equation is x equal to 3y. So x equal to 3 into y equal to, we have 13. So the value of x will be 13 3 ja 39. In this way we have obtained the value of x and y. X equal to 39 and this is our first number, and y equal to 13, this is our second number. This is our final answer. Question number 2. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. Okay students, firstly, as we know, supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. Okay, suppose one angle be 85 degree and another angle be 95 degree, and after adding these two angles we will obtain 180 degree. It means these two angles are supplementary angles, right? And 85 degree is supplement angle of 95, and similarly 95 degree is supplement angle of 85. Now let's assume the larger angle be x, the smaller angle be y. Now according to given conditions we can make our first equation like this: x plus y, both are uh, supplementary angles, so x plus y we will obtain 180 degree. This is our first equation. Again here is written the larger angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Okay, we have assumed larger angle x and smaller angle we have assumed y, and according to given conditions we came to know x is already greater than y by 18 degree. So to make these two equal we have to add 18 degree with y. This is our second equation. Now we have to find the value of x and y by substitution method, right? And here simply we can put the value of x, whatever we have obtained in equation 2, in equation 1, so that we will be able to get the value of y, right? So here we have obtained x equal to y plus 18. So just put this value in equation 1. Our first equation is x plus y equal to 180 degree, and here we have obtained x equal to y plus 18. So just put this value over here, x equal to y plus 18 plus y equal to 180 degree, and again y plus y, 2y equal to 180 80 degree, and this plus 18 goes to RHS and becomes minus 18. Now y equal to 180 minus 18. Okay, 10 minus 8, 2, and here is 7, 7 minus 1, 6, and this 1 by, okay, this 2 goes to RHS over here. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, 2 ones are 2. Now in this way we have obtained the value of y equal to 81. Now just put this value of y in equation 2. In doing so, we will get the value of x, right? Our second equation is x equal to y plus 18. So x equal to, okay, here y equal to, we have obtained 81 plus 18. Now after adding these two, we will get the value of x equal to 99. Okay, in this way we have obtained the value of x and y, where x equal to larger angle. So the value of larger angle is 99 degree, and y equal to, we have assumed smaller angle. So the value of smaller angle is 81 degree. This is our answer.